Omnitrain AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about Omnitrain AI, the latest AI software that's been causing quite the stir. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing how you can try it completely free and whether it's truly the best new AI solution for your needs. Now, what makes Omnitrain AI stand out? Well, first off, it offers a highly intuitive interface. If you've used other AI tools before, you'll find Omnitrain's dashboard refreshingly user-friendly. No need to be an AI expert to navigate through it. Everything is clear, with easy-to-understand categories and quick access to all the essential features. One of the standout features of Omnitrain AI is its training capabilities. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or a small business owner, the platform uses AI to help train you for specific tasks, whether that's improving your sales strategy, refining your content creation process, or optimizing your website's performance. It's not just about automation, it's about teaching you how to leverage AI effectively to improve your own skills and business operations. But what really sets Omnitrain apart from others is its ability to deliver personalized learning paths. Instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach, Omnitrain adapts to your level, making sure you're getting the right content, tips, and guidance based on where you are in your journey. For those starting out with AI or looking to upskill, this is a huge bonus. The software also boasts an incredibly powerful analytics suite. It's not just about completing tasks, it's about improving your performance over time. Omnitrain tracks your progress and provides actionable insights that can help you improve and grow. If you're looking to make data-driven decisions and streamline your workflows, this feature is a game changer. Now let's talk integrations. Omnitrain AI seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, Google Analytics, and more. If you're already using other software in your workflow, this makes Omnitrain an easy addition to your toolbox. The automation that comes with these integrations helps to save you time, letting you focus on higher-level tasks. For those concerned about pricing, the good news is that Omnitrain AI is incredibly affordable compared to other AI tools with similar capabilities. And the best part, you can try it completely free from the first link below, so you get to test all its features and see for yourself whether it fits your needs without any commitment upfront. The support team behind Omnitrain AI is also top-notch. With AI software, issues can arise, and having a dedicated team ready to assist can make all the difference. Users have praised Omnitrain's support for being responsive, knowledgeable, and always ready to help with any questions or concerns. Finally, is Omnitrain AI really the best just-released AI software? In my experience, it certainly delivers on its promises. It's efficient, effective, and highly versatile for a variety of users, from beginners to experienced professionals. It's packed with features that will elevate your business or personal AI strategy, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. And as promised, I've left a list of other recommended AI software that you can try for free in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I believe can truly make an impact for you. So if you're still wondering whether Omnitrain AI is the right tool for you, now's your chance to try it free of charge and decide for yourself. Don't miss out on the chance to up your AI game. Click the link below and start exploring the future of AI training today.